found his first two wheels in Carolina. 17 years old with fire in his bones. Didn't know where that road was taking him. He just knew he had to go. He's been a wild one, been a steady hand, been the man who paid the cost. Made some wrong turns, found some mercy, and rode for all the ones we lost. There's a Bible in his saddlebag, there's thunder in his soul, and every mile that man has traveled left a story on the road. He don't need a crown, he don't need his name in lights. You can see it in the way he rides, you can hear it when he says goodnight. They call him Pop, they call him Legend, and he's earned every word they say. He loves loud, he stands steady when this whole life gets hard to face. Every New Year's morning he rides down to that lake. For the brothers gone before him, he carries them anyway. Much love and respect, that's how a real one makes his name. They call him Pops, they call him Legend, and legends don't fade away. 24 winters, come January, he rolls out before the sun. Cold air biting through the leather, but that ride still has to be done. Names on his heart like holy scripture, hands wrapped firm around the bars. Every tear he never talks about still shines beneath those stars. Never flashy, never chasing glory, never needed folks to cheer. Just a man who kept on showing up year after faithful year. Some folks talk about honor, some folks live it till it's true. And when a man rides for the fallen, you feel heaven riding too. They call him Pops, they call him Legend, and he's earned every word they say. He loves loud, he stands steady when this old life gets hard to face. Every New Year's morning he rides down to that lake. For the brothers gone before him, he carries them anyway. Much love and respect, that's how a real one makes his name. They call him Pops, they call him Legend, and legends don't fade away. Some men leave a stone behind with a name carved in the rain. Some leave stories, some leave scars, some leave lessons through the pain. But Eddie leaves a brotherhood, a hand out when you fall, a road map made of mercy, and a heart big enough for all. Him Eleanor ain't just letters, it's the life he chose to live. Much love and respect, brother, that's the best a man can give. This old life gets hard to face. Every New Year's morning he rides down to that lake. For the brothers gone before him, he carries them anyway. Much love and respect, That's how a real one makes his name. They call him Pops,
they call him Legend.
and legends don't fade away. They call him Pops,
They call him Pops,
they call him Legend. Still riding,
still right,
still leading the way. Much love and respect,
much love, much love.
but much love and respect. That's how legends lead the way.